What's up, YouTube? Jeff, the Style O.G. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get the most out of that suit. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends, like the stylish grown man, salute. Now on this channel, as I encourage you guys to dress up and rock suits, I know it's not the cheapest of investments. A good suit can easily run you from hundreds to thousands of dollars. However, I want you to realize that if you use certain strategies, a suit can be very versatile and you get a lot of bang for your buck out of it. So in today's video, I've got 6 tips that help you get the most out of that suit, whether it's making it last longer or just making a suit much more versatile. So without further ado, let's get into my guide on how to get the most out of that suit. Now, first up is making sure you pick the right suit or suits to begin with. Now, when you're first starting your style journey, it can be tempting to get a bold, flashy suit. But whatever you do, don't do that. Although it may be an eye catcher, it won't be very versatile. Instead, grab 1 or 2 of your more conservative suits. Of course, I'm talking about that good old navy and a gray suit. Here's why. Navy and gray suits, super versatile. You can wear them anywhere. Dates, weddings, funerals, job interviews, you name it. Gray suit, navy suit will take you through any of those situations. Now, I don't want you to just grab any navy or gray suit. There's a few characteristics I want you to get that'll make sure you get the most out of those suits. First, you want to get a 2-button notch lapel, most timeless and classic style of suits. On top of that, you want to get an all-season wool suit. One that's heavy enough to take you through a little chilly weather, but not too heavy that you can't wear it when the temperature starts to rise. Next up, after you lay the foundation and pick the right suits, the next thing you want to focus on, those shirts. Now you want to start off with the basics. I suggest a good old crisp white shirt and a light blue shirt. These two are going to be your most versatile and you can wear them with any suit you have. And they go with almost any tie you have. But after that, it's okay to start to get a little bold. You'll really stretch your suits out by switching shirts in and out. Now it's time to get some patterns. I'm talking about your ginghams, your stripes, and your plaid. Having a variety of shirts to pick from makes it seem like you have more suits than you actually do. Now the third way you can get the most out of that suit is switching in and out your accessories, especially your ties. Now of course you're gonna have your standard ties, whether it's solid ones or ones with patterns. But the way you really mix it up is switching them out during different seasons. For example, say it's warm weather time. You might wear a cotton tie like I have on here. But you can also switch them up in the winter time. You can wear heavier wool, tweed, and suit-like fabrics in your ties to dress up your suit in the winter time. So not only can you wear your suit during the regular times of the year, you can wear them in extreme temperatures like the summer or the winter. But of course, we're not just talking about ties. The other accessories to stretch that suit out, throw on a pocket square. Solid ones, patterned ones. Pocket squares add a little more personality and pizzazz to that boring suit. Want another way you can get the most out of that suit? How about losing the shirt and tie altogether? Here's where you can get really creative, add some personality, and really get some versatility with those suits. Whether we're talking about rocking that turtleneck, polo shirt, t-shirt, or even layering under that suit, losing that shirt and tie actually makes your suit more versatile, and you can dress it up and dress it down without much effort. Another underrated way to get the most out of your suit, how about trying mixing and matching them? That's right, grab the jacket from one and the pants from the other. Now before you go trying this, there are some rules you have to obey. In fact, I made a whole video telling you exactly how to mix and match your suits. But right now, I'm gonna give you the basics on how you do it. First, make sure the suit jacket and the suit pants are of similar fabric and weight. When the weight and fabric are very similar, it looks like they go together. When they don't match, it just looks like you mix match, not mixing and matching. The great thing about this technique, 2 suits become 4. The suits by themselves are 2, but you can mix the jacket from one with the pants in the other. You double up your suits combination by mixing and matching. And I do it no matter what the fabric. If I have a flannel jacket that can match a flannel pair of pants, I go with that. All season wool that can match another pair, I go with that one. Mixing and matching the suit, a great way to get the most out of your suits. And last but certainly not least, if you really want to get the most out of your suit, maintain and take care of that suit. When properly maintaining and taking care of that suit, a suit can last you for years and years. Let me give you a simple breakdown on how to do just that. First thing you want to do is When you get home, take that suit off. Don't be tempted to throw it somewhere on the floor or something like that. Grab a hanger, preferably a plastic one with rounded edges, but an even better option, wooden hangers. Now I use wooden hangers on all my clothes, but they're especially effective with this suit. They help maintain the shape of the suit jacket much better than any type of hanger. Now the reason why you want to hang up the suit immediately, gravity is your best friend. Hanging up your suit with the help of gravity helps release any folds or wrinkles that may have occurred while you're wearing it. And the second important step when taking care of that suit, make sure you only dry clean it twice a year. Here's why. Every time you take that suit to the cleaners, they use harsh chemicals. Taking it too often can break down the precious materials of that suit. Twice a year is more than enough to get any built up grime or dirt off that suit. Unless you've gotten some spills or you've worn it excessively, please refrain from dry cleaning that suit too often. Okay, so there you have it. My guide on how to get the most out of that suit. Let me know in the comment section any tips or tricks you use to get the most bang for your buck with that precious investment. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos released every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.